All right. So I don't know what happened this morning. So this morning I was recording and I posted. I actually just started recording at 9:29, and then I was outlining my problem areas. As you guys could see, I outlined my problem areas, and then I hit the. As I was recording, I don't know what happened, but the recording stopped, and then it just kind of just I don't know what happened. I have no clue what happened with the recording. But I'll play it for you just to show you guys. But basically I jumped in above go time. I tried to jump in right above here because I saw this was like a pullback, so I jumped right here a little bit early so I could pop up so I could sell once it pops. But for some reason, I knew this was a problem area. Um I couldn't sell for some reason. So it didn't buy right here, and then it didn't sell right there. And I'm like, oh boy, here we go. My orders are not getting filled as they should. And so this thing just dropped hard. So I was like, oh Lord. So I'm going to end up with a red day. It is what it is. Um, I've been having like some glitches with this platform. So I figured let me soften the blow. I'm gonna take a trade right here at the 9 EMA. Hopefully it bounces back up, which luckily it ended up bouncing back up. So which is very good. I got lucky on that one. And then um, it starts gaining volume and start gaining more momentum. So I jumped in right there and I took this trade, and then it pulled back. So I said, okay, if it stays above go time, I'm gonna jump back in, and then it dropped down, and then it started picking back up. I saw a lot of buying pressure here. Whenever you see a long wick, there's just a lot of buying pressure on this side. Just like over here was a lot of selling pressure, but then the buyers were starting to kick in. You can see a lot of buying pressure, but there's some, this right here is a resistance area, so there's a lot of selling pressure there. So just looking at the chart, you can kind of see where the buyers and sellers are sitting. The buyers in the beginning, the sellers were sitting there, the buyers were sitting there. That's why I doubled up. And then over here, because of the momentum, I quickly jumped in, but I knew there was selling pressure in this area. So that's why as soon as it hit this line, I'm selling. And luckily, I got filled right there. And then I waited for this pullback. It went way down here. And then once I saw there's a lot of buying pressure here, so I figured once it goes above go time, I'm going to jump back in. I jumped back in, and then I quickly sold around this same area because I know there's selling pressure around this same area. So I sold around here, and plus this is a resistance line. I don't want to be caught there. It did go a lot higher than I anticipated, but this was a very good spot to sell. Um, I don't know. My orders were just not getting filled. So, uh, I haven't had that problem before. Like this past week, I've been having a lot of problems with orders getting filled. So I'm not really sure why orders don't get filled sometimes. But it could be a glitch in the system, and maybe I need to update my system, and maybe because um, it's just the amount of shares that I'm buying, which it's a small amount of shares. 4,000 is not a lot. Um, so I don't know why, but let me play this video just so you guys can see what happened. Okay, this is the beginning. I'm outlining where I'm getting ready to jump in, and then just like that, that was it. Just like that, that was it. Like it stopped recording for some reason, and then this is what ended up showing on the recording. So I don't know. It might be I need to update the platform. I don't know if there's a new update for it. I'm gonna go ahead and check on that. Every now and then, you're gonna have to check to see if your platform needs updating. And the way you do that is you go to, let's click on it now. You go to your CMEG. Okay, let me show you guys really quick my trades before I do that. So basically, I jumped in at 7 13, which I actually jumped in right there. I didn't get filled, so I had to cancel that order. And then I got filled up here. And then it started going up, and then all of a sudden slammed down on me. So I figured, okay, that's when I figured, let me double up. All right, so we already did all that. We already talked about that. So let's see if I can see if there's an update. Where is this thing again? I haven't done it in a while, so I gotta double check. Let's see. Auto upgrade. There you go. Okay, let's see. Update version. Okay, you see? So now it's updating this version that I have. Maybe that's why my orders were just not going through as it should. So now you can see it's very important. Please exit to complete the update. Okay. Okay. So maybe that's why it happened. Maybe I needed to update my trade ideas, and that's probably why some of my orders haven't been going through properly. Every now and then, when you're starting to notice like little glitches here and there, you may want to double check to see if your system might need updating. And once you do that, it should function properly after that. Um, let's see what happens now. I mean, I've read it. Okay. Okay. All right. So hopefully now it can start acting properly without my orders getting um, messed up. Okay. So hopefully this fixes the problem, because sometimes when you notice your orders are not getting filled properly, they might have done something to the platform to where they updated it, and it's up to you to double check. It's funny because they should automatically send you something, because whenever there's some crazy news happening or whatever, they'll send you a message and it pops up on your screen. But to update your system, they don't send you a message to pop up on your screen. Like, that makes no sense. So now if you guys can see, I'll go back to, where is it? It's under, I always forget because I don't do this too often, so I have to check through the, where is this thing? And sometimes they change the whole thing too, so the whole menu changes when they update. Where is this thing? Okay, auto upgrade. So now update. As you can see, now it's been updated. No need to update. So maybe that's why my orders were not getting filled, and maybe that's why I couldn't get in and out where I want to. All right, well, at least I found that out. Um, it's crazy because they should automatically send you a message telling you that you need to update your stuff, because this could cost you money if you don't have the latest version, So hopefully now my orders go through properly, and I hope you guys got some value out of this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share the video too if you feel like there's someone else that may gain some value out of these videos, because I post them up so you guys can learn, and for myself as well, so I can learn. Um, but that's it for now. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment or send me an email. My email address is below. Also, if you guys need to sign up for Tradeideas, again, without Tradeideas, this is Tradeideas right here. Without this scanner, I probably wouldn't be as effective as I am. Don't get me wrong, I am the best. So I would still be profitable, but it's just this scanner here helps out a lot. If you look, SYPR is right there, number one. And it tells you how much percentage is up. So this one's very strong this morning, 159%. So of course I'm gonna take a look at it, and of course if you see a stock goes from $2 to $7, um, it's pretty strong. It's very strong. So of course I'm gonna take a stab at it. All right, guys, that's it. Comment below, and don't forget to hit that like button for me. And even if you don't like the video, if you don't like my videos, hit the thumb facing down. Let me know you don't like it. If you guys don't say anything, then I don't know what you like or what you don't like, so I can switch it up for you. All right, talk to you guys another day.